That's me.
With the Jaguar stuck in the sand.
Hi. Sorry for the delay. What was your name?
Hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Sherry.
Sherry, John, nice to meet you. Hi, puppers. I know, I'm a stranger. I get it. All right. So, are you in 4 low and you have a locker? Have you tried that? Good stuff?
No, I just got this vehicle, Marley, and I had another Jeep.
Okay.
I was in 4 low. Now I'm in 4 low.
Okay, so that's neutral technically right now. So are you
Okay.
in neutral in the transmission?
No, I am. Yeah, I was.
Okay, all right. So pull that all the way down, hard, super hard. Down, down, down. You gotta like get her down there. There you go. So that's 4 low. So now see if you can't put it in reverse and try and give it a tiny bit of gas and turn that wheel. Hold on, wait. Hold on. It's not all the way in something. Are you in? Oh, maybe that was
That's
Yeah.
it. Okay.
And just a tiny bit of gas, like ever so little in reverse. And turn that wheel, wiggle that wheel. Wiggle the other way, other way, other way. Not too much gas, just a little bit.
We got some movement.
Keep going, wheel side to side. See if you can get a little bit of movement. Not too much gas, just a tiny bit. All right, stop. Now put it in drive, hold, foot on the brake, okay. And now see if you can do the same thing, just a tiny bit of gas. Oh, it's sitting on it. So for future reference, that's what you'll want to try, is 4 low and try and creep it a little bit. But it seems like it's sitting on the axle. So what I'll be able to do is hook up to the front, and I can put a kinetic rope on it, and I can get you up and get you in the tracks, and then you guys can get on up out of here. We actually are filming videos nowadays, so I'm doing discounts if you don't mind. That's up to you.
I do not mind.
Awesome. All right, so we'll work on getting it hooked up, and then I'll come give you some instructions, okay?
Okay,
All right. Awesome. All right. Actually, you know what? We don't even need these guys. They got those little old open-end hooks. And so we are just gonna whoop-bow, whoop-bow. Alrighty. So what I'm probably gonna do here is I'm gonna get a little bit more of an angle to the hard stuff just to make the recovery a little bit easier. Okay. So you'll just wanna try and actually, your wheels are already basically in the right direction. So you'll just wanna keep them towards me a little bit, and yep, that's all fine, leave it in 4 low. Okay. It'll be easier to get around here anyways than that.
Neutral?
Put it in drive for me, but you're just gonna wanna give it, when I start moving, just a tiny bit of gas to help me. Just barely any, okay? And I'll do most of the work. And I should be able to get you up off on the side there. We'll unhook you and then we'll make sure you can get going from there, okay? All right, yep.
Cool.
When do I give it gas?
I got you. Give it gas now. Start giving it gas. There you go.
Sweet, there we go. Took a little bit extra juice. Whew. Took a little bit of extra juice. Good job, girl. Heck yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, that's why I went downhill, guys, because it is nasty soft, and if I were to stay up in the soft stuff, I'll get myself stuck too. I just realized I didn't even run the Insta, so good thing you were getting a shot.
Oh, yeah.
So he told me, the lifeguard said I should go back that way to get out.
So that's totally up to you. You got a Gladiator,
Best way.
6 1/2 dozen. You know what I mean?
So
It's not gonna make a difference.
How do I get back over there?
So what you do is you just get a little bit of speed up, about 10 miles an hour, maybe a little more, and you just ramp up over. These things are so light, all you need is momentum.
And now that I'm in low,
Yep.
it'll help.
It'll help, yep. And then, but when you get off the beach, you make sure you put your transmission in neutral and then get it all the way back in 2-wheel drive.
Okay.
You don't want to mess anything up.
Right.
All right.
Thank you,
Hey,
John.
you have a great day, okay, guys? What's up, buddy? Let me pull down there. Yes, sir. That's me.
With the Jaguar stuck in the sand.
Sounds good. Let me come take a look. That's hilarious.
At least he's honest.
Just him, too. See if we can't find a way to hook up to the front of this thing. If it's going to be way easier to pull it from the back, I can just pull him off the berm and make him get him speed up. What's up, man? What was your name?
Dustin.
Dustin, Johnny. Nice to meet you, man. It's a beautiful car, that's for sure.
Yeah, so all-wheel drive, but they showed on the commercial driving through in the sand and the snow. And it's
Yeah. You got to really be getting your speed up for that, that's for sure. All right, let's take a look at this thing.
There's an arm cushion.
How you doing?
Pretty good. Pretty SUV though. Wow. It is pretty. Front or back?
Yes, sir. Oh, that's a good question. I'm curious. I'm gonna dig out the front a little bit, see what the control arm situation's looking like. I'm gonna see how hard it is to hook up to the front. If it's a pain, I'll pull you backwards and we'll try and either hook up down there and pull you through it or get your speed up and rip you through it. But if I can hook up to the front, I'll just hook up to the front and pull you out of here. Could you turn it on for me and turn the wheel all the way to the driver's side? What year is it?
2020.
Oh yeah, driver's side, towards me.
Sure.
What's that?
What?
No, towards me, just so I can see the control arms. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, we'll be able to pull it forward. I should be able to get to those control arms. So here would be my game plan. I basically run a bridle to the 2 front control arms, get a rope on it, and then just tug you up onto the concrete. All right, bet. We'll get her out of here for you.
Before you can be in the car and control, like, do you need it neutral? What do you? It's all
So,
drive.
so once I get it hooked up, you can drive. I'll just have you wheel straight with me, in drive, a little bit of gas. I'm gonna be doing most of the work.
Do that?
What's that?
Someone else can do the wheel straightener?
What?
If you do, I can like tell you where it's straight, or you want someone else to drive. It's up to you. It's not that hard. You just gotta follow me. I can make sure your wheel's straight for you and stuff, or I can have him drive if you don't feel comfortable doing it. It's up to you.
I'll do it.
All right, bet. Yeah, no, I'll make sure you're all good. I got you. I'll give you instructions once I'm hooked up. Actually, I should be able to get to that. Now these long shackles gonna come in handy. So nice, especially on those little control arms that are just like up in there. These fancy things.
Let's do this once we get it. We're done. We're already
Sure.
paid. We're good.
Go for it. I do not mind that. Girls can be crazy sometimes.
Oh yeah.
And also buy.
There you go.
I appreciate that.
Absolutely, man. What's that?
You on Google?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we're on. It should just be Santo LLC. And then we use the videos across media, so Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
So listen, I'll leave you my info. I sell windows. You know anybody that needs windows, I'll refer them to you. I guess I can't really call them because I don't the number fucking clean. Anybody you refer, I'll send you $100.
That's a good deal.
Really straight, that works.
Santo, this is John. Are you stuck on the beach?
Dumpster rental service?
Hi, John.
Hi, how can I help you?
I was calling to see if do you only offer tow services for the beach?
For the most part, yes. We do a little bit of off-road recovery, but we do not do anything on-road if that's what you're looking for.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, of course. Bye. Yeah, man, if you want, he's getting it for a long-form YouTube. So if you want to plug yourself, hop in front of that camera, you can just be like, hey guys, I run blah, blah, blah. If you guys want to come book with me, nah. Hey, that's fair. Not everyone loves the camera.
Not right now.
Everyone's different.
Give you a 5-star review though.
Nah, I appreciate that. Yeah, you guys all know about the traditional soft shackles, but this, the double loop, makes it so much easier to get back in here.
Later.
It's got paddle shifters.
Yeah, it's a Jaguar.
Fancy.
They don't make Jaguars like they used to, though.
Yeah, I agree with that statement.
This thing is not allowed to work fast.
It's nice though. Should this be the cover? You go around, get a good cover photo. Get out of the way. Oh, you know, it might be a good shot too, Christian. Go closer to the Gen 2 and get like both of them in it.
11:42 a.m.
Bro, these Crocs are like buckets. I gotta stop wearing these out here.
Yeah.
Moments later.
Hey, you want to get a video
You
for
want to
us?
record?
Yeah, record.
Here,
Thank you. We
right
appreciate
here.
that. Sweet.
That's awesome, man. We appreciate it. All right, Christian, we should be good. Give it a medium bump. I already got the wheel straight with me, so just a little bit of gas.
Word. Sounds easy.
Just like that. Like butter, baby.
Those brakes are sensitive.
Yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate that.
Right
Appreciate
here.
that.
We appreciate it.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, of course, man. Let me get you on hook so you can get out of here. Here, crank it all the way towards me.
Look at this dude.
All right, all the way the other way.
I can text that number on that card.
Yep.
I'm gonna shoot you my info.
Bet.
Any referrals? Anybody signs up? 500.
Awesome.
Cash app. I love it.
All right, you're off. Yes, of course. He's off, and so are we. Just like that, we got the Jag, and he can go make his appointment, baby. I can go make it to my birthday dinner.